In today's video, we are diving into a detailed comparison between two top contenders in the power supply market, the Corsair RM1000x and the Cooler Master MWE Gold 850 V3. Both units are 80 PLUS Gold certified, but they cater to different needs and budgets. We'll explore their features, performance, and which one might be the best fit for your next build. The Corsair RM1000x boasts a powerful 1000 watts, making it ideal for high-performance systems that may require more power, especially for multi-GPU setups or extreme overclocking. In contrast, the Cooler Master MWE Gold 850 V3 provides 850 watts, which is sufficient for most single GPU configurations. While the RM1000x offers more headroom, the MWE Gold 850 V3 is designed to meet the needs of modern builds without excess capacity. When it comes to pricing, the Corsair RM1000x is positioned at a higher price point of $189, reflecting its high wattage and premium features. On the other hand, the Cooler Master MWE Gold 850 V3 is priced at a more budget-friendly $109, making it an attractive option for those looking for value without compromising on quality. This significant price difference may influence your decision depending on your budget and power needs. The Corsair RM1000x, while a reliable power supply, lacks native support for the latest ATX 3.1 and PCIe 5.0 standards, requiring adapters for modern GPUs. In contrast, the Cooler Master MWE Gold 850 V3 is fully compliant with ATX 3.1 and includes a native PCIe 5.1 connector, ensuring compatibility with the latest graphics cards and providing enhanced electrical durability. This makes the MWE Gold 850 V3 a more future-proof choice for new builds. In conclusion, both the Corsair RM1000x and Cooler Master MWE Gold 850 V3 have their strengths and weaknesses. The RM1000x is perfect for users needing maximum power and quiet operation, while the MWE Gold 850 V3 offers excellent value and modern compatibility. Depending on your specific needs and budget, either could be a great addition to your setup. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.